is define account for withholding tax to be paid over. Let's see. Path up to withhold extended withholding tax is same. Next, postings account for withholding tax and define tax to be paid over. Click on here. Click on chart of accounts. See this? Click on withholding tax code and withholding tax type and save it. Okay. After saved, what is this? Assign this. Withholding tax type. What is the withholding tax type? Withholding tax type is 1, I think. We given 1. This one, withholding tax code. What is withholding tax type? We given 1 and tax type is 5. Okay, 1, 5 and account. What is account? Link your account to here. GL account, TDS on rent. See this. Click on enter and save it. Okay. Some mandatory settings. Next, activation of SIN in vendors masters. What is activation of SIN in vendors masters? T code /n OM T3E OM T3E. Click on enter. Double click on user screen reference. Here click on new entries. Give your name. Okay. Here name is your user ID. Your name is your user ID. Everyone note it and save it. Key already exists. Okay. Previous batch I given my name here. So you give your name. It will success. Already given. Okay, next. Otherwise you can give 1 minus. Just save it. Just come back. Again open. I recently delete exist. Already exist. I think I deleted. Okay, deleted but I not saved. Yes, this is mine. My name is already exist, so you give your name and save it. Okay. Next, maintain company code settings. Here two steps. One is activation. Now, SIN in vendor's master. T code is OMT3N. Okay. Next, next step is maintain company code settings. Code settings. Next, see this. Come back. SPRO IMG. Here, one thing you do. This time not go through path. Let's check it search button. How it works. Maintain company code settings. See this. What you need. Maintain company code settings. Under basic settings. Here only two. Click here. Under basic settings. See this. Path. Task code and movement. SPRO. Task code and movement. Task code. Here path is SPRO IMG logistics. See this logistics general under logistics general task code and movement India basic setting maintain company code settings. Click on company code settings. Okay. Click on no entries. Queue your number company code Nova first month. What is our first month? April and save it. Okay, data was saved. What is this maintenance? Maintain the company code settings. Next, April is your physical year starting month. April to March. Here next configuration is assign withholding tax to vendor's master. Assign withholding tax to vendor master. Here T code XK02 SK02 that's for ban and SK02. Now take Ashok Industries. Don't go Ashok Industries. Take another person. We have four vendors, I think. Yes. Take Raju Solutions. Address just like vendors. Change vendors. Now we are giving withholding tax details. Click on withholding tax and click on enter. Here SIN details. Click on SIN details and withholding tax. Update some PAN number. Okay. Yeah. SIN details. Withholding tax. Update PAN number and enter. Come back. Press enter. Okay. Withholding country. IN. Withholding country is IN. NAV. We given tax country for now. NAV. Here we are linking all data to vendor's account. Tax type we given 1. Tax code we gave 5. Is live. Click on label. Okay. Click on enter and save it and save it. The changes has been made. Here Raju Solutions. Post one invoice. Let's check how it is working. Invoice. Post vendor invoice. T code FB60. Vendors. Vendor number 1104. Invoice date 20th. Being rent. Here we are paying rent. Amount 1 lakh. Here rent we are paying. Vendor. What is the account? What is the entry? Rent account or to vendor. Rent account to vendor account. What is the rent account? The rent account. TDS applicable here. Okay. Click on simulate. Not copied. Section code is not copied to withholding tax line. See this. 40 key rent account to 31 debit credit rent account to Raju solutions. TDS debit TDS on rent credit. What is the entry here? Rent account to Raju solutions account to TDS on rent. Okay, 90,000, 10,000 based on net amount. Okay, click on save. Document 44 was posted in company code. Now this is TDS 10%. Posting exemption with scenario exemption. Let's suppose if vendor is having 40% exemption certificate. In this case, exemption percentage will be mentioned in vendors previously. Let's check. Let's change vendors details. Change vendor details here. Not address. Click on withholding tax. See this. Tax type and tax code is 194I rent. Now here exemption details. Give exemption number. You taken exemption from government. So 40% you get a exemption. What is the exemption? Reason. This reason for exemption. 3. Government policy. Exemption reason. From date to date. From 1/02/2021 to now 22nd to 30th/02/2022. Okay. Click on enter. Why it sorry will be only 29 days. Click on save. Changes was made. Okay. Next post one entry. Let's check it. Clear windows post entry 204 22nd 02 2022 22nd amount 1 lakh rent paid rent account 1 lakh test being rent paid. Click on enter. Simulate. Section code is not copied to withholding tax line. Click on. See this. Raju section. Entry rent account to Raju Solutions account to TDS and rent only 6,000. Here taxable amount is 60,000 only. 40% is exemption. So unlike in 40%, 40,000 is exempted. Only 60,000 is your taxable amount, and 10% on taxable amount is 6,000. Okay. Then post the entry. Section 45 was posted in the document 45 posted in company code Nova.